In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Gmail reverse conversation order issue. If you've ever been frustrated with how conversations in your Gmail inbox seem to appear backwards, with the latest emails buried beneath older ones, then this guide is for you. Having a streamlined system for viewing email threads is crucial, especially when you're juggling numerous messages every day. Let's jump right in and resolve this common problem so you can keep your emails organized and easy to navigate. The first thing you need to do is hop onto Google Search. Open your favorite web browser and head over to Google. It's the go-to place for all things search-related, and it will serve as the starting point for our solution. Go to the search bar and type in "How to fix Gmail reverse conversation order." This query should bring up a variety of results, but we're looking for specific instructions that will guide us on tweaking the conversation view settings in Gmail. Once you've landed on Google's search results page, you'll want to sift through the listings to find a reputable source that addresses the Gmail conversation order specifically. Sometimes the official Google support forums or dedicated tech websites provide the clearest instructions. Feel free to click on a few of these options to see which one resonates with solving your issue. After finding a reliable source detailing the process, follow the instructions provided. Generally, this will involve accessing your Gmail settings. So open Gmail in a new tab and click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. This will open the Quick Settings menu. From here, you'll want to select See All Settings to open the full settings menu. In your Settings menu, look for the General tab. The General tab is where most of the common interface and usability settings for Gmail are housed. Scroll down until you see an option titled Conversation View. By default, this setting might already be enabled, which is typically how Gmail groups emails under the same subject line into a single thread. However, the order of the messages in those threads can sometimes be inverted. Depending on the official solution you found, you may need to disable and then re-enable the conversation view, or simply toggle other related settings. This refreshes Gmail's grouping algorithm and often resolves the issue. Once you've completed these steps, return to your inbox and check to see if the conversation order has corrected itself. The latest email should now appear at the top of your conversation thread, allowing you to keep track of the most recent discussions without scrolling through past messages. And there you have it. By adjusting these simple settings, you can keep your inbox organized and efficient. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide helps you tackle the Gmail reverse conversation order once and for all. Stay tuned for more helpful tech tips.